In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add users in Constant Contact, whether you're managing a team or simply need to grant access to additional members. Adding users to your Constant Contact account is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to constantcontact.com. This is the homepage where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of tools and options available. But for now, let's focus on the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon situated there. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage different aspects of your account, including user permissions. Once in the Settings menu, look for the Manage Users option. Click on it to proceed. This section allows you to view, edit, and control who has access to your Constant Contact account. Here, you'll see a list of current users, but we're interested in adding someone new. To do that, click on Add New User. This is typically a button located somewhere prominent on the page. Clicking this will open a form where you can input details for the new user you wish to add. In the form, the first thing you'll need to enter is the email address of the person you want to invite. Be sure to double check the email address for any typos, as this is the primary way they'll receive their invitation. Once the email address is correctly entered, the next step is to select a role for the new user. Roles define what actions the user can perform within your Constant Contact account. Typically, options include roles like administrator, campaign creator, or viewer. Choose the role that best fits what you want this new user to do. It's important to assign roles carefully to maintain control over your account's activities. After you've selected the appropriate role, the final step is to click Send Invite. By doing so, the new user will receive an email invitation to join your Constant Contact account. They'll need to follow the instructions in the email to complete the setup on their end. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your Constant Contact account. Remember, adding users with the correct roles can help streamline your team's workflow and ensure that everyone has access to the tools they need to be productive. If you ever need to modify user roles or remove a user, you can return to the Manage Users section to make those changes. Thanks for watching this guide on adding users in Constant Contact. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy emailing!